para hindi po magkamali ang mga contact details ninyo, meron na po tayong app para mabilisan na lamang ang pag-exchange ng mga contact details and social media accounts. Gamit lamang po ang isang app. Yan po ang newest and very high-tech na app na pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Kasama po natin si James Jester Chan, Chief Executive ng Tap to Connect. Hi, James! Good morning!
Thank you.
Wow! How are you?
I'm doing good naman. Very excited for this day na to meet everyone in Net25 and kada umaga, especially kayo po, Ms. Pia.
Okay. Tell us a little bit about Tap to Connect.
So, Tap to Connect is a digital business card where we modernize the way we connect instead of using the traditional paper business cards. We digitalize it. And sakto siya kasi digital era na po tayo right now.
Okay, but in this era, James, ano-ano yung mga contact details na pwede nating ilagay dyan sa app na yan?
With Tap to Connect, actually, there's a lot of details that you could add. So starting from your name, your contact number, your email address, even your social media links from your Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, even bank accounts, pero money in lang, hindi naman money out. So, di ba, right now we have QR codes sa bank accounts, di ba? So, easily, they would easily access your QR code para mabilis na sila to pay you. So, andun yung Union Bank nyo, for example, or your GCash, your Maya. So, you could share just your Tap to Connect and then they could just scan your QR codes doon and then they could transfer the payment sa inyo po.
So, parang kung meron pong humihingi ng contact detail namin, all-in-one na.
Yes.
Pati sa bayaran, nandun na rin.
Yes.
Diba?
Actually,
Pero, is it easy to is it for both iOS and for both Android users?
Yes, actually with Tap to Connect, it works on iOS, Apple devices, as well as Android devices. So Tap to Connect uses NFC. So it's near-field communication, somehow same technology as the RFID that we use on our tollways, diba? The RFID nga lang is a long-range proximity scanning as compared to NFC. A shorter range proximity scanning, 1 centimeter lang.
Okay. But anong kailangan na connectivity? Kailangan ba ng strong Wi-Fi? Kailangan ba ng data?
Yes. Actually, kailangan natin ng data connection para ma-load yung profile or Wi-Fi connection para ma-load yung Tap to Connect profile na kung kayo po yung magtatap. So, but on Tap to Connect, we actually developed an offline QR code, somehow like this, na you could just scan and it would lead directly to saving the contact details na. So this would not
So yung
need
nagbibigay, hindi na kailangan na may data or
Yes.
may Wi-Fi.
So,
you can have like that QR code
Yes,
and then the person getting your contact details can just scan it
this
and
one.
automatically meron na silang kopya sa mga devices nila.
Yes, all of your contact details ando na po masisave na
Oo.
nila.
Siguro, James, better if you can demonstrate it to us right now.
Okay, sige po, Ms. Pia. So, here is my Tap to Connect card. So, this is our most premium Tap to Connect card. So, it's a gold, 24-karat gold-plated Tap to Connect card.
Okay.
So, I'm using an Apple device. So, you just have to tap it. Pag tap, there would be a notification that would load your profile.
Okay.
Yes. So, this is my online profile. From here, you could just click Add to Contact.
Okay.
And then it saves all your details.
Okay.
Yes.
Pero hindi lahat may gold card.
Yes.
Pwede namang sa telepono lang.
Yes,
diba?
opo.
Kasi that's another thing that you have to bring kung meron ka pang gold card
Yes.
na dala-dala, mamaya mawala pa yan.
Correct. Actually, on the interface, we also have the QR code here.
Oo.
Na whenever you leave your Tap to Connect behind, na iwan nyo, you could just load your profile and click the QR code and just let them scan the QR code. So you could still share your network details.
Okay.
So it does not limit you to having the card per se. So
Oo
it
nga.
pwede na siya in all aspects. Even you could just send the QR code or your Tap to Connect link to other people, and then they would be able to access your profile na.
Oo. Tanong ko sa'yo, James, bakit kailangan pa natin yan kung meron naman tayo mga airdrop, meron naman
Yes.
tayong mga bump, di ba? Doon sa mga
Yes.
Apple devices natin, hindi na nga kailangan ng meron pa silang pinapauso ngayon, ibabump mo lang, tapos
Yes.
lahat ng pictures magta-transfer na doon sa kabilang phone.
Yes, we get that question a lot actually. Kasi since the launch of the new iOS, it's just parang name drop na lang. You just have to pagtatapatin mo na lang yung mobile devices, right? So, what Tap to Connect really is, it's an omni-funnel on not just sharing your contact details or your email addresses only, but it shares all your, it could be your portfolio, it could be your curriculum vitae, it could lead to your menu if you own a restaurant, it could lead to your catalog if you're a designer, it could lead to, so there's a lot of uses of Tap to Connect that name drop from Apple does not share. And as far as I know, name drop right now only works on Apple-to-Apple devices.
Yes.
And on networking events and networking cases, we are networking with people, not just with Apple devices,
Correct.
diba?
Oo.
Paano kung Android? And you will not
Wala
be able
na.
to
Manual
share.
na naman ang
Manual na naman.
mangyayari sa
And
atin.
that's what we wanted to prevent.
Ayun.
Yes.
Paano, since kahit ano, pwede mong i-input doon sa maaari mong i-share.
Yes. Opo.
Kamusta naman ang security ng inyong app?
Yes,
Halimbawa, lalo na kung maglalagay ka pa ng bank account details dyan.
Yes.
Tapos mga addresses, cellphone numbers.
Yes, correct. So we understand that cybersecurity is, syempre parang very important yan right now. Where a lot of hackings na nangyayari. So first and foremost, I would like to tell you that Tap to Connect we have our own database and our server. So it's not a shared network anymore, which is really less prone to hacking and cybersecurity attacks. And then we undergo for cybersecurity defenses. So first we have OWASP validation checklist. So this is a checklist kapag if you have a web app para ma-maintain yung security ng website.
Okay.
Number 2, we have Cloudflare protection para ma-prevent yung DDoS attacks. And hackers to come sa database namin. Number 3, aside from our IT team, we undergo third-party penetration testing. So, we hire third-party ITs to try to penetrate our website, our database and server, rather, para we could know where our vulnerabilities are and we could improve on them. And number 4, we follow the Republic Act number 10173, the Data Privacy Act. Yes.
And how sure are we na hindi nyo ibibenta yung mga yung mga personal information namin? Kasi alam namin, di ba doon nga yan yung mga cookies?
Yes,
di ba?
actually.
Binibenta yung habits mo sa mga
Yes.
ibang kliyente.
So with Tap to Connect, we are under the Republic Act 10173. So we don't want to we don't want to baka makasuhan kami if we do that kasi. So what we actually we don't actually see your details on our database. We built Tap to Connect to hide all your details na kayo lang talaga makaka-access. Or kapag katinap nyo po yung card to share the contact details and everything, doon lang siya lalabas. So,
magkano naman ang app na ito?
So, with Tap to Connect, it starts from 1,200. So, for our standard cards, per card.
Per card, okay.
Yes. It's
Good for
lifetime
how long?
use.
Lifetime. Okay.
Yes. So, one card na lang yung kakailanganin nyo and you would not need to reprint a lot of paper business cards anymore.
Oo.
Yun yung standard po namin. And then we level up to customizable cards. So, it's 2,500. It starts at 2,500 all the way to the 24 karat gold card, 15,000 per card.
Oh.
So this gold card kasi, iba talaga yung impact niya during events na, wow, ang ganda ng card mo. So,
At
yes.
saka, nagbavari din ba yan sa dami ng gigs na laman? Ganun ba yun?
Not necessarily po.
Okay, or sa data na pwede mong i-store?
Not necessarily. So, same lang naman po yung magiging functions nila, but it's more of the luxury of having a different kind of
May
card.
bling ka lang na
Yes.
pwedeng i-flash.
Yes.
Oo.
True.
Sino-sino na ang, what kind of people got that kind of service from you guys? That
Right now, Tap to Connect already has approximately 20,000 users internationally. And a lot of companies have already shifted already. So, mga 1,000 plus companies have already changed.
Anong profile ng mga companies?
It's a really broad profile from banking.
Saan pwedeng i-download ang app na ito?
Actually, Tap to Connect, you just have to purchase your Tap to Connect card, and then you would activate it, and then ready to use na siya. You don't need to download any applications.
Okay.
We wanted it to be as simple as possible, na hindi na kailangan mag-download ng users na pagtatapan nyo ng application. So it's gonna be easy pag-tap. Pag-tap nyo ng card, it would pull up a browser. From there, they could access the details na kailangan nyo pong i-share or you wanted to share to them.
Okay. Sige. 100% Pinoy ba tong app na to, James?
Yes, we started 2019. 100% Pinoy made.
Galing.
We hold the patent of being the first ever ready-to-use business card. And this is proudly the first in the Philippines and Asia as well.
Matutuwa ang mga puno sa inyo, James.
Yes.
Dahil hindi na sila puputulan for business
Yes.
cards. Tapos easily, pa siya, no? Easily editable.
Yes,
Kung
you can-
sakasakaling mag-iba ka ng mga contact details,
Yes.
mga social media accounts.
Mga Kanet 25, this is Pia Guanyo Mago. For more Kada Umaga updates, please click the subscribe button and follow us on Net25 social media pages at Net25TV and at Net25 Entertainment Facebook page. See you guys. Bye!